everybody, my name is River and today we're gonna be doing another bubble tea. I'm actually feeling really under the weather today. I'm doing this video in my bed and Luna's here with me. She's got her toys from Christmas. I hope you've all had a really good time over the holidays. I'm in a lot of pain, I'm not gonna lie, but I thought what would make me feel better than some bubble tea. Luna and I are also wearing matching outfits. We both have fluffy pink outfits with ears on. She wants to play with her toy. So let's get started. This one is a strawberry flavor milk tea. It's got little strawberries all over. It's pink, it's cute. The design is adorable. Do you have any instructions? Water plus packet equal tea. I'm also trying out some different lighting this time because I got a ring light for Christmas, which is super cool. It's got loads of different settings. It's got a little button thing on the cord, which is really cool. So I can like change it to like different. Ooh, we got warm lighting. We got cool lighting, or just like normal white light. Please bear with me while I try out the different settings and stuff with this light. Let's crack this open. So as with most of these ones, we've got a cute little lid that you can pop out the thingy so we can sippy sip. The first thing on top is this. It says Nata de Coco. Don't know what that means, but there's a picture of a cute little cat and we can definitely see that it is little chunks. The next thing is our extendable straw. Whoa! After that, we have the powder, which is strawberry flavored milk tea. I love the design on this. It's so cute. It's got a little girl reading a book. So cute and pink. And the very last thing is this little... Oh, it says sugar. It's a little sugar packet. Very cute. One, it says... Put in the stuff, then put in the water. This deer. Can mommy see? Thank you. She's ripped off one antler in both of the ears. And the tail! You're so mean. She opened this early, by the way. She ripped this open when we weren't home.
Oh my god, we just came home from the co-op and we were like, where did that come from? And then we look at the boxes and she's ripped it open! Luna, it's not Christmas yet!
Got my scissors with me. We're gonna cut open the milk tea. Ooh, I just had a whiff of it. That smells so good. It smells like strawberry sweets. And we're just gonna pour that in. Look at the dust. Now I'm gonna cut open the sugar. Boop. And just pour that in. Ooh, it's some chunky sugar. All I can smell is that strawberry, so I don't know if it's like special flavored sugar or just standard like granulated sugar. But we like sugar in this house. Next is the dreaded pressurized liquid tub. I always struggle with these. They usually squirt everywhere. Let's hope it doesn't this time. Oh, I don't want it on my bed. Did it! And it didn't spill. Ooh, it smells nice. It's little tiny bits. I can't really show you. Right, I'm just gonna pour those on in. You can see the chunky, clumpy bits. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, some are still stuck. Get in there. I may have also bought myself a Cadbury milk tray to try and make myself feel better, but I couldn't resist. I wanted chocolate and I've already eaten like half the top layer. They've got an apple crunch one in this now. It's a little tiny one that was in the middle. And that was really nice. I didn't know they did an apple chocolate. I really like the one with nuts and stuff in. This one's a praline. Close enough. I like the crunch. Now for the scary part. Oh, I hope there's no chocolate like on my face. Now we add the hot water. Preferably while you're not sat in bed. Very carefully. This one doesn't seem to have a fill line, so we're doing it by eye, kids. Easy does it. Careful. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. I also somehow hurt my left arm recently, so certain positions are really painful. But once you add your hot water, we're gonna mix all that powder and stuff together. Get rid of all those gross looking clumps. Mix it all in. Once you've mixed it all in, you can pop on your cute little lid. Very carefully. Oh. Boom. Lid on. Thing flip back. Straw in. And then we wait for it to cool down a little. Right, I'm gonna taste test. Ooh. I got some chunks too. This one has a very subtle flavor. It's like a sweet strawberry taste. Like it tastes how it smelled, but to a lesser degree of intensity. If that makes any sense. Like, it's nice, but it's very dull. Very chill. But that's kind of what I need right now, to be honest, because I feel like poop. And I just want to chill with something nice and warm and go into a coma for the next few months. If you guys see any like cool or funky flavored teas online, let me know because I really want to try them. And the more like difficult to make, the better, because I am definitely a pro. I definitely know what I'm doing. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I feel a little bit better for the next time I film. I just felt like it'd been so long and I just wanted to finally film something after Christmas. Thank you again, and I will see you soon. Bye! Luna looks so cute with her little ears. Look at your little hood ears, Bun. You're a bunny. You're a bunny. Yeah. A little foot.